Is trading a business or a gamble? Hi everyone. Well, most of the people enter in the share market thinking they will double their money in a week. But that's not actually happens. That's the gambling. If you want to survive here in the share market, you have to treat this really like a real business. So, what is business? How the business happen? What actually the business is? Let me tell you guys. Just take an example of a grocery store or maybe a general store just nearby in your neighborhood. How do they make money? Have you ever thought it? Well, it's simple. They buy the biscuit, soap or rice at a cheaper wholesaler price from the wholesaler, right from the manufacturer, and then they sell it to you and you are the customer at a slightly higher retail price. And the difference of that price is their profit, and that's the business. Actually, we have to buy it from a cheaper price and then we have to sell it at the higher price, and the difference is your profit. I hope you understand. So trading is exactly the same thing in the share market, but the only difference is you don't have to buy the actual physical stocks or currencies in the real time. You don't have to buy physically, but just with the help of broker, your application like Angel One, Zerodha, Grow, with the help of these application, you can simply make it very easy. And same thing you have to do here as well. You have to buy it, stocks, currency, indices, Nifty 50, Bank Nifty, Reliance, Unilever, whatever, right? And then you have to sell it at a little higher price. Well, this is actually called trading. It's simple. But now, why people think it is very risky? Well, let me tell you, if you are buying the stock and if you just leave it and if you don't sell it at the right time, so there is a chances that you will lose all of your money, right? So that's the reason business never happens without the notes, without the actual cost, without knowing about the business, without knowing about the profit, margin, tax, STT. Like there are so many things we have to take care about. First we need to study about it. Have you ever made any plans? Have you ever studied about it? No. If the shopkeeper also just buy a bulk amount of rice and then they just left it for getting spoiled, so the shopkeeper will also get a huge amount of loss. So it is not like that it is risky. No, everything is risky, guys. Everything is risky, but you have to take a little risk. Understand to manage the risk. If there is a risk, so at the other side we have the risk management plan as well. And I'm telling you guys, it is just as simple as you do the normal traditional business of a cloth, business of a fruit, business of grocery store and anything. In the same way, this trading is also like the same business, but just you have to do it technically with the technical analysis. I hope you get it. So you will do it, but before that you have to understand the concept, and that's why I am here. So in this series, I'm going to show you how to stop playing this share market like a gambling and start operating your trading real business like a professional. Stay tuned for the next 9 videos. Let's change your mindset today.